So here we're going to try to see if we can set off one of these little thundercaps. That's just a little bit of some little blasting cap, little cap gunpowder between two pieces of paper, and hopefully I'm going to shoot it with my little Hellboy and see if we can set it off. Hopefully won't lose a GoPro in the process. Looks like I just missed it, so let's try it again because the powder's right there in the middle. And that, boys and girls, looks like a successful test. That was awesome. I can't wait to put that baby into practice. Woo, on some of these targets. Oh, it's going to be awesome. Smell of gunpowder. Oh, awesome. Smell of victory in the morning. Alrighty, folks. I'm going to continue this a little later, but I hope you enjoyed that. That was awesome. Hello there, everyone. So here we have part 2 of this week's build, and basically focusing on these thundercaps. So I don't know if you can see it, but I got one set up right here. This is a thundercap, and I'm going to go ahead and try to hit that with my Luger. So hang in there. Okay, so here we go. Going to get ready to shoot it with this little air pistol right here. It's a Luger replica. So hang in there. Let's see how good it shoots. Well, definitely hit it, but nowhere near, apparently not on the target itself. Oh, it looks like it hit it just a little bit high. Alright, let's try it again. Where was that one? Again. Well, this is turning out interesting. Let's see what we can do. One more time. There we go. That was a direct hit, baby. That was a nice little spark, nice little smell of gunpowder. Yeah, very nice, very nice. I like these. Alrighty, so basically that's pretty good. Howdy, folks. Alright, so I changed my mind and I decided to put up the other thundercaps on those top targets. And I'm going to take the Luger and see if I can make them pop. Here goes. one. Holy moly, can't believe how many that took. I think it popped. Looks like I ran out of air. But I was able to get at least 2 of them to pop. So that's pretty good. And come back for the 3rd one later. Alright folks, I'll see you next week. Take care.